Heaven is made in 120 minutes of sweat. Passion and courage motivated by beauty, each playing a role in the dance of life. Come to me and sing. The dreams flow in. I choose to act. The dance of two in and out. When am I? And when am I we? Come to me and sing. Dreams flow in and flow out. Beat of the heat. Ruminate in my soul. Together be. Oscillation, scintillation, emancipation. Dream, come to me and sing. A dream, a song. Dance into my life like a dream that never ends. In and out, you and I. When do you begin? Trepidations, tremulations, tremolo. Troubadour, trumpets, and tribulations. Triumphantly trekking on sand and sea. Marshmallow, tremolo, halo, and heaven. Tremulous. 120 minutes of sweat to pass into paradise. Task force of turpitude and turpentine. Taking of one's thoughts and God's into the grand concourse, the great neck and the outskirts of stirring black holes. Jets of hot plasma, gravitation light years. Come spin. 120 minutes into the garden of heavenly satiations. Satisfied, incandescent, luminescent, luminary of suns and moons and imaginations. Dance into my life, beauty, and faith. Tango into my heart as happenstance and indigo emanations. Salsa into memories that last warm long after you're gone. Beat with the rosemary rhythm of heart held close and then explodes apart like galaxies driven by fascinations and fusion. Gyrate, becoming like beams of divine dreams. Smiles, hold my heart in a trance of blessings and thank you. Marigold. Meandering. Memes. Menstruate, mitigate, mesmerize, memorize, momentous, mimesis, majestic, memories of dances with white wings and the smell of the sea. Hold me holding Hermes homologue heliotrope, rocketing and rocking my universe, anthropomorphic, triumphant. Tremolo, jello, pimento, and a song. I have held you in my arms all night, hip to hip, spinning out colliding universes and the dust and souls. I've sung to the dance of time, spinning clover and pleasure and sweat. And I've dreamed all night in the star-swept dance, a passion for infinity and a hand. I have wandered all night to the rhythm of metamorphic, mesmerizing melodies and seaweeds. I have held a warm hand, approaching and retreating, smiling and questioning. Are you of me or of a different universal dust, swept with iron or copper, tasting dew or tears? Are you? Are you? Have you spent 120 minutes in the paradise of the echo of a song? Happenstance, happening, or dancing with fate in a tango, drawing her into your orbit or pulled by invisible unconsciousness into a hubris that rocks the boat of infinite dreams, pulling the fabric of the universe apart, to start new worlds and new dreams at each nanosecond of watching. Come dance, come sing. I have loved you before time and will after. Come dream and spin to the rhythm. And I have asked for an eternity of hot skin and cool nights. Come dance and spin. And I've asked for a hand to walk the zigzag path of my mission. Passion and courage energized by beauty. Come into my soul and dance. I want it there, for enticing universes are my song. My wishing, I want it there. For what is life but for smiles and hand and window into the openings of another? Dance, cry with faith, dance into a universe of faith. Dance, for your dreams come passing in the night through mine, to gravitate in explosive energy of fission and fusion and fugues and fudge and fiddleheads and fig cakes and fuchsia and fascination, flowing like waterfalls of tingling skin, in and out. Dance and dance again, wonder and wonder again. For what can we teach our children but wonder? What we can teach our friends but vitality? What can we hold out to our legacy but that we lived our life as the fullest dance? What can we breathe deep? But the answer to God's question. Mitigate, meandering, milestone, millennia, millennia of hope, millennia of dreams, a marathon of potential. Rip through the cloth of the universe. to make possibilities real. Reality rich, rumbas and rutabagas, reminiscent of romantic requisitions. Spin, go dance, be on the sea of the winds of the notes, on the brushes of the yellow amber embers of your soul reaching out to mine. Dance, it is a dream. Dance, it is a wonder. Dance, for all songs lead to the soul. Dance, I have infinite dreams to make real. Dance, I have imaginations telling me to act. Dance, a privilege of being. Dance, a song of all songs. Dance, and no night will ever be the same. Dance, an angel of paradise will walk into your life and ask for your explosive thunder and the rumbling of emergent truths. Dance, and you and I will embark on a road sent in precious stone and dust. Dance, and in 120 minutes of paradise in Eden, I have found you, and you I, and the shared oxygen of our lives powers music unimaginable. Powers music unimaginable. Dance, dance.